Today we're checking out these Jeep licensed by RedRock 3-inch round curved sidebars in textured black for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 2-doors. If you want an easier step up into the cab, a tougher factory plus look, and a bit of side protection without hanging anything too low and sacrificing ground clearance, these are a clean bolt-on option that are definitely worth checking out. The key features here are going to start with the classic 3-inch round tube and the curved ends that follow the Jeep's body lines so they look like they belong and not like an aftermarket afterthought. You get wide, slip-resistant pads that make climbing in and out easier whether it's raining, mudding, snowing, or any weather conditions. The cab length run helps shield the lower door and the rocker panels from kicked up debris and parking lot door dings, which is a nice bonus. These mount to the factory points so the boards tuck in tight for ground clearance and they don't rattle over time and become a nuisance. Most folks add a set like this when bigger tires make that step up into the cab harder, passengers need a little more secure foothold, maybe you have some kids or some elderly passengers frequently, or you just want that aftermarket off-road ready look on your Jeep. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting heavy-duty steel tubing with textured black powder coat finish to even further fight rust and road salt for less corrosion down the road. The step pads are molded for grip and fastened securely to the bar, and the brackets are very stout and the welds are clean, so the whole setup feels very solid when you step on it. Mounting holes are gonna line up perfectly with the Jeep's factory mounting locations, so once they're torqued down, these bars sit straight and quiet for the long haul. As far as the pricing goes on this, these are coming in right in the $200 price range for the pair. For steel, Jeep licensed round steps with a durable finish and a true bolt-on fit, that's a very strong value if you want function and style while repping that Jeep pride with the logo right on it. When it comes to the install on this, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 2 hours or even less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter if necessary, 10, 13, and 16 millimeter sockets, 10 and 17 millimeter wrenches. All right, today we're gonna be installing some side steps on our Wrangler, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is grab our provided brackets. Now these brackets are all gonna be labeled for whether they're the front or rear and also which side of the vehicle, passenger or driver. We're on the passenger side, so we've got our passenger front, that's gonna be PF, as well as our support bracket, and then our rear bracket as well. So we'll get under there with the provided hardware and get these in place first. So now as we come underneath the vehicle, we're gonna be right at the pinch weld. You'll find 2 factory drilled holes, and directly behind that, you're gonna find your threaded mounting hole. So we've got our provided 13 millimeter bolt with a lock washer and flat washer. We're gonna get our main bracket in first. That's gonna mount on this tab. We're just gonna get this in hand tight for the time being. Once we have that in place, we're gonna grab our provided pinch weld bracket. Put this up into place. You want this lower tab to line up with the mounting hole on the main bracket. First, we're gonna grab our provided bolt and flat washer, get it through this hole for our support bracket. Put that in place. And on the back side, we'll add in our flat washer and our provided lock nut. It's gonna kind of help this hold position. Next, we can grab our 10 millimeter bolts with flat washers and get those through our pinch weld mount. Through. Again, we're going to add in a flat washer and a lock nut on the back side of each of these. And once you've got this first bracket loosely in place, we're going to do the same thing for our rear bracket. All right, so now we can set our step bar in place. So we're going to line up our threaded inserts on our bar with our 2 mounting bracket holes. Get these in place. To that, we're going to add 2 of our provided 13 millimeter combo bolts for each bracket. And once you got these first 2 in place, we'll do the same thing for the other bracket. We'll come back and tighten these down. All right, so now we're going to tighten everything down. We're going to start with our 13 millimeter socket on our ratchet to tighten down our top mounting bolt. Then we'll grab our 10mm socket and wrench to tighten down our pinch weld bolts. And then we'll come to our support bracket bolt and then finally our 2 combo bolts. We'll grab our 10mm socket and wrench, tighten down our pinch weld bolts. Now we'll grab our 16mm socket for our bolt head and our 17mm wrench for our nut. Tighten down our support bracket bolt. And then lastly, our 13mm socket again for our 2 combo bolts. Once you've got this bracket fully tightened down, you can do the same thing for the other side. Now once you've got this side on, you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our Jeep, licensed by RedRock 3-inch round curved side step bars and textured black finish for your 18 to current Jeep Wrangler JL 2-door. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.